Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from eLearning Portal. In today's video, I will show you how to enroll your users in courses, in learning tracks, or in activities or quizzes. Let me show you how this is done. First, let's select Learning Content. Then I want to enroll users in my courses, so I'll click on Courses and then select one of these courses. So I'll click on Computer Application Technology, and you'll know this is the learning track. In here, I'll click on Enrollments, and then I'll click on Enroll Users. Here, I'll search for my user. I can either go with Advanced Search or I can type in the username. So let's type in the username. So there's my user. And I'll enroll this user in my course. I'll click on Next. In this window, you need to specify the enrollment settings. You can select the date and then the course as well as the time period that you want to enroll users. So the due date states here it's unlimited, and I'll leave it as is. I'll click on Enroll. And now my user is enrolled in this course. If I look at my user, I've just enrolled. There's my user. You'll see currently there's no enrollments. If I refresh this now, you'll see there's one enrollment, and there you'll see the course Computer Application Technology. And the user hasn't completed anything yet. Okay, he needs to complete it before December the 12th. Let's enroll the user in another course. Again, let's go to Learning Content. Then to my courses. And then I want to enroll him in Systems Technologies. So I'll click on Systems Technologies. Click on Enrollments. Again, Enroll Users. And then type in the user name. There's my user. I can click on Next, leave the start date as is, and within the unlimited due date, I'll leave everything as is. Okay, I can specify here user course settings by date. I can select a date, or I can select a period, or I can select no due date. I'll click on OK, and I'll click on Enroll. There's my user enrolled. Let's go back to our learning content. And I'll go to my assessments. When you hover over the assessment name, you'll see the ellipsis icon becomes available. Click on it and then click on Enroll Users. You'll see you'll end up on the same window here. I can now type in my user's name, select my user, and click on Next. In this window, I can specify the enrollment settings and then click on Enroll. Now let's go back to our users window and see what it looks like now. In this window, you'll see that my user is currently enrolled in this one course or learning track. When the user logs in, you'll immediately see the courses he's enrolled in. You can also see the bell icon. If he clicks on the bell icon, you'll see that these are the courses or the notifications that he received. If I refresh this now, you'll see one extra course is added, and there's my Computer Applications Technology as well as my Computer Applications Technology assignment. Once the student completed all the activities within that course, you'll see there were two assignments. One, the brochure that they needed to complete. Here you'll see design a brochure as well as design an image hotspot. So these will show pending for review. It shows pending for review because the teacher still needs to mark it. So once the student submitted this, the teacher will receive an email notifying him of the assignment that was submitted. Okay. Once the teacher logs in, he or she will see that there are ungraded assignments, and you'll see there are 2 ungraded assignments. He clicks on all, and here you'll see the 2 ungraded assignments that the student submitted. He can now click on grade. It will take him to that particular assignment. If he scrolls down, he can now leave some feedback as well as score the user. So now the teacher can mark the assignment and then provide a score for the student. So let's say the student scored 80%, and then he can leave feedback. He can then upload the mark sheet or the rubric or whatever he needs to upload, and he can send it to the student. Immediately you'll see that this mark was accepted. It's 80%. If I go back now to home, you'll see there's only 1 assignment that needs grading. Back in the users portal, if we refresh here, you will now see that this assignment was marked, and you see the user scored 80%. We can also see the notifications that the student received here. And there's the mark that he obtained as well as the feedback. So let's mark the second assignment by clicking on all and then clicking on grade. I'll mark this assignment as fail. So I'll provide a 40%, and you'll see it shows declined. Please try again, and I'll send this. You'll see there it's declined because the passing score was 50% and the user scored 40%. Okay, and you'll see there. When I refresh the learners portal, you'll see there, you see it was declined. It was 40%, and the user can usually submit it again for review. Okay, so that's 40%. Please try again. Okay, so now the student can also click on his profile picture and go to his achievements, profile settings, as well as my learning history. You can click on that. Now you will see that everything he did, all the activities he did, he created a poster, video presentation, he viewed it 100%. All the activities that is done on the platform, you can report on, or you can receive a report on that. I really hope this video was helpful, and you will now be able to enroll users in courses, as well as see the activities that users completed, as well as mark assignments due.